Our rum distillery and our award-winning brands Matugga and Liv fuse the distilling skills that we have honed in Scotland with our own rich African and Caribbean roots. We launched our own distillery in Livingston in 2018. Our rum triad marries the best of Scotland, Jamaica and Africa, and helps us to produce what we believe are some of the world's most adventurous expressions. And it's a good time to be rum pioneers, because we live in a time when taste, heritage and quality are increasingly important drivers amongst today's consumers.
I trained in brewing and distilling with several world-class industry leaders at Heriot-Watt University in Edinburgh. Drew, our assistant distiller, took the same path. Scotland has a long association with rum production, but we are part of the country's exciting new wave of craft rum distilling. Our production processes are groundbreaking in many ways, and we are constantly looking for innovative ways to drive authenticity, quality, and sustainability within the category. We are producing the full spectrum of rum styles, from funky overproof white rums and connoisseur cask-aged rums to aromatic spiced and flavored rums. We have put great care into mastering the complexity of our flavors, and along the way we have opened people's minds to the versatility and beauty of rum.
With over 25,000 bottles sold across the UK and Europe, numerous industry awards and our appearances on TV, we've created significant traction. Rum is a massively growing category. The UK market is currently worth over 1 billion, with a growth rate of 37% over the last 2 years. We're poised to take advantage of the rum boom, and with your help, we aim to truly unlock our local and international potential. We want to purchase new distillery equipment, roll out our new brand look, and vastly strengthen our commercial operations in the UK and wider international markets.
We bring visionary leadership and diversity to the growing rum sector, and our cane to cask vision underscores our ethics and our ambition. We're developing a sugarcane plantation on our family's land in Matugga, Uganda. It will assist our supply chain and support local livelihoods.
Matugga's future is looking so bright, and we want you to be a part of it.
Join us today to become a co-owner of our pioneering distillery.